Prepare for today's lunch the most famous Moroccan dishes. Try the wonderful tagine recipes with kofta meat and serve your recipe hot. Recipe ingredients: minced meat 350 grams, eggs 4 pieces, coriander 2 cups, parsley 2 tablespoons, garlic 4 cloves ground, 1 cup small, black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, red pepper 1/2 teaspoon, ginger 1/2 teaspoon, tomatoes 2 cups grated, salt 1 teaspoon. And now the preparation method. Place the grated tomatoes, garlic cloves, coriander, parsley, salt, spices, and all in a saucepan and cook over low heat. Till place the minced meat, remaining garlic, parsley and salt in a bowl, form into balls and add to the tomatoes. When the meat is cooked, add the unbeaten eggs. Cover and leave on low heat until cooked, then serve hot. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day filled with amazing flavors. See you soon with a new recipe.